Welcome YouTubers for my third video. Today I'm going to show you how to do not like rock, not like rap, calm and country. And today I'm going to show you how to get perfect measurements. Let's do it. Now by the twig glue, starting with squash. So the stem, the end of the trowel, then fold it over to the other one, and if it's still not to the other stem, fold it over again. Okay? So that's two. So squash, you plant with two trowels. Okay. Here we are, the sprouts. You go 1, 2, and then you put your next sprout here. Okay. And then that's how you plant sprouts. Okay. Now we're at the beans, technically the runners. There are many types of beans, but because we've got so much space, we do 2 rows of each, and we do 1.5 rows of trowel to each next plant. So we do 1.5 to the silver bit. Then we put that one in, and then we do another 1.5. And then I do another 1.5. And then I do another 1.5. Another 1.5. And so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. You may have noticed the delay. Make sure to like and subscribe to my feet and the metalwork. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.